Okay, guys, so yesterday we did see a slight move on US 100. So this was the open 3 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. We saw the 6, 7, and then 8 o'clock we saw the move to the upside. So yeah, odd move, very, very odd move. I don't like to trade after the 5 p.m. So this move here, yeah, we missed it, but more than likely this move wouldn't have yielded profits. So yesterday closed bullish, very, very nice. Moved to the downside, touched that high impact level. So we got the push, exhaustion to this high impact level, bullish engulfing candle yesterday. More than likely today is going to continue in that direction. We do have news today. What do we have? We have jobless claims. Today, let's have a look. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Is it on yesterday's? No, it's on today's. Continuing jobless claims. We've got Fed Waller speech later on. But the main thing that we need to look out for is the jobless claims. So, are we looking for it to touch a certain level at this moment in time? It's a few pips above the open, which isn't exactly what I want. It's only about 50 pips above. So a move down to this level, and then possibly a move to the upside. If you want, you can use this little indicator here. Open, close line. And then what I do is I just get rid of the daily open because I'm not really bothered about the open. It's the same thing. And just have it all the same color. So that you can clearly see where the close is. Basically, the open. Exactly the same thing. So that's what I'll be looking for in US 100. Looking for a move to the upside. Hopefully today this yields some profits. Let's take a look at US 30. US 30, basically the same. We have the open here. Hasn't really moved that much. We do have a lower level of resistance, which is here. We also have support here as well, so we can put that support level in. Looking for this to move to the downside. Exactly the same as US 100. Would love a little move down and then for it to explode later on. That's what I would like. So we do have jobless claims before the open. Usually jobless claims, we do see volume. So hopefully we do see it against the overall direction and then we move in the overall direction. With gold though, so with gold, this will be a perfect setup. So since we had the core inflation rate, we haven't really seen a trade. I knew that once we have a big move here, the day after was pretty much not going to do anything. Yesterday did pretty much do absolutely nothing. Today, there is a potential because we do have jobless claims. What is gold doing long term? So gold is minus 0.6 USD, positive 0.1. Medium term, gold is a -2. USD is a +1. Short term, though, gold is stronger. So, what does that tell us? Tells us that we're more than likely going to hit the 2000 level. Again, that's a very psychological level. Every round number. So, 1900, 2000, 1800, 1700, etc. Massive psychological and fundamental level on gold. So, 2000 level, probably going to touch and then move to the downside. Am I expecting anything crazy today? No, it's probably going to move probably like down to here. and then continue on Friday. So we might cut it at the end of today or leave it open possibly for Friday to take over. So just literally wait for that setup on gold. Let's take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin, as I was looking at the fundamentals, is absolutely killing it in strength. Take a look at the daily. Literally just moved to the upside. There's no exhaustion. There's no anything. The only way that I'd be interested is if it comes down to the 50,000 and we see buyers come in there. But for this moment in time, when it's just climbing like this, it's not really interesting. I need to wait for it to come back and then make a higher high. Right now, it's just straight up. So not interesting for this moment in time. Greatest pan against the yen, though, could be quite interesting. So let's take a look at the 1H. I'm going to get rid of this daily close now because it's kind of annoying me. So we didn't see buyers come in. What's insight into US 100? I'll do that in a second, bro. I'll do that again. Bear with. So it looks as though Greatest pan against the yen. Let's take a look at this. For some reason, the greatest pan is super weak. Minus 4.5. The yen is a positive 3.8 for some reason. Like I said, there's two levels that this is either going to see buyer pressure here or here. First level's been broken. So more than likely, you're going to see buyer pressure here. Okay, so you're looking for a turnaround here. Looking for something like this here. See this? Bullish engulfing candle. Also, fundamentals have to be to the upside, so the greatest pan has to be stronger than the yen. Looking for a trade. With price action probably from there. And that will be your trade on the greatest pan against the yen. It's only a potential though. Could turn around quite quickly. Fundamentals could turn around quite quickly, but just be aware that this could just continue falling. So don't trade it unless you get a good entry like this. And also the fundamentals are to the upside. At this moment in time, they are to the downside. So it's not really great. Greatest pan against the USD. Let's see if this actually moved. Yeah, it did, but not during the open. Do have a bearish engulfing at 7 though. Is there much room? Not really. That core inflation rate just literally pushed it all the way down. There is a potential for this to move all the way down to this level here. Take a look. Yeah, there's a potential for it to move down to there. So what is the fundamentals? Greatest pound minus 5.1. USD minus 0.8. Potential for if we break the low. Something like that. So if we break this low, potential to move all the way down there. Obviously, be a little bit wary of the 1.25300 level because that's a massive level of support. If we break this low, then you can probably place this trade to the downside. The euro against USD, not playing ball. Not playing ball. Okay, so this is a lot better. A lot better. So we have consolidation. We've actually moved up to a level of resistance. Even though the trade isn't better risk reward wise, in terms of setup, it's a lot better. So the euro right now is minus 1.7, USD is minus 0.5. Wait for a break of this support level here, this little consolidation, which we've had since 1800 yesterday. So this is the Asian range. Wait for that break, and then you can move to the downside, which is that is a lot better than Graves Pound against USD. So I do US 100 again. So US 100, I'm literally looking for a trade today to the upside. Yesterday closed as a bullish engulfing. So I would love a little trade down and then to catch one with price action probably there to the high. That's what I would like. So we do have this level of resistance here, which obviously, as we can see, has acted as resistance and support previously. Hopefully it comes back and we get a good setup. If it just drives, and then I'm not really that interested in it. So there we go. That is it, bro. Does anyone want to go through anything else? If there isn't, then I shall just see you at 2 p.m. The jobless claims does usually give us a decent platform to get a trade on. So hopefully we get that. If we don't, we don't. Simple as that. There's always another trading day. So yeah, guys, okay, no one's got any questions. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. I hope you learned something, and I shall see you all later on. Thank you, Pauline. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.